Hello and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be deploying a React.js application on cPanel. So with me here, I have a React.js application which gives us a sign-in page, nothing much. It's the only page that I have in place. The purpose of this is just to show us how we can deploy this application on cPanel. So this is the code that gives us that page. We have quite a number of modules that we have imported here and everything. So the key thing that you need to ensure is that your application is working as expected on your local server. If you needed to add some Rive API endpoints, ensure that they are working as expected. Once you have confirmed that everything is working as expected, then the next thing is to learn the build function. Remember, what happens with React.js applications, you cannot just upload the code as they are here. They need to be compiled to something that the browser is able to decode. So what we need to do, we need to build this application, and then from the build, that's when we get the files that are ready for deployment. Alright, so let me show you how to do the build. So on your terminal, let me just stop this server. So from here, I'm going to run the build command, and this is what we have. We have npm run and build. So just to give a hint, note that we don't have any build folder here. Now when we run this command, let us watch. So just press on enter and the build starts. Just give it time. Alright, and within no time we have been able to generate a build of this project, and here we are. A new folder has been generated with some files. So basically this is what we need to upload to our server. If we are to inspect, I have quite a number of files, but the entry file is index.html. If we inspect on what we had previously, we did not have any HTML file here, but the final build has this file. And of course we also have some other files here that you can just go through: the media files, the javascript files, the css, and all of that. So basically this is the folder that we need to take to production. Alright, so with me I have a subdomain here that doesn't have a website, so this is what I'll be using for this deployment. So the first thing I need to log into my server. So I'll be deploying it on a cPanel, and then I need to go to domains. Let me just go to domains. Then I search for this particular one. Need to go to this. Alright, so there is a directory I'll be uploading my files on. So what I need, let me just go to activities. So this is the location of my React.js files. So basically this is the folder that has been generated. So let me just click on that. So these are the files that I need to upload to the Rive production server. So all I need, let me just select everything, select and compress, because for you to be able to upload all these files, they need to be compressed. Alright, so let me just name them react.js.zip, should be a zip, then create. Alright, very easy. Then the next thing, just move to this location, then there is this upload button here, click on upload, then click on select file, then we need to go to home, should be in React app, the build, then this is the file that we need to select. It's barely around 513 kbs. So just click on open and it will upload that file within no time. So after the upload has been completed, just click on go back. if we are to reload our subdomain, what we see the new file that we have uploaded. But then for us to be able to load the website, we need to extract these files. Just right click on that, then select the extract option, then just confirm extract files. Right, so with the files under this folder, we just need to go back to our subdomain or domain, then click on reload, and there we go, we have our here. So there is the same as we had here. So it's as simple as that, nothing much, no other setup. Basically the final build is a merely HTML, CSS, JavaScript code. But then behind it, we know that React JS is at work. So that's simply how to deploy a React JS application on cPanel. And that marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with others, subscribe to this channel, and give it a thumbs up. Bye for now.